Didi TV, learning is fun. Welcome to Ice Cream Land.
Pink ice cream, twirling swirl, tastes like bubblegum for every girl. And boy, it's sweet, it's soft, it's full of cheer. Pink is fun all through the year. Yellow ice cream, sunshine glow, tastes like bananas, nice and slow. Bright like the sun, it makes me beam. Yellow is my summer dream. Green ice cream, cool and fresh, apple or mint, it's the best. Like the grass and leaves that sway, green makes me shout hooray. Blue ice cream, icy and neat, blueberry flavor, chilly treat. Like the ocean, calm and deep, blue is fun from cheek to cheek. Red ice cream, what a sight. Tastes like strawberries, bold and bright. Scoop it up and take a bite. Yummy red feels just right. Scoops of color stacked up high. Pink to red, oh my, count them up. 1, 2, 3, colors of ice cream just for me. Let's sing the colors one more time. Pink, yellow, green, and blue. Red is super awesome too. Ice cream colors, cool and bright. Learning colors feels just right.
Let's search for red, blue, yellow, and green eggs. Each one hides a special surprise.
Look, what do I see? A red egg hiding behind a tree. I crack it open, hip hooray! A bouncing ball, let's jump and play. Under the bushes, what shines through? A sparkly, twinkly egg so blue. I shake it, rattle, peek inside. A magic whistle, let's blow it wide. Near the flowers, oh so bright, a yellow egg in golden light. I pop it open, what's in there? A twirling top spinning through the air. Behind the swing, what have we seen? A wiggly, giggly egg so green. I open it fast, oh what delight! A jumping frog that hops out of sight. Hooray, hooray, we found them all. Colorful eggs, big and fun.
Red, blue, yellow,